President, Mr. Sutanu Ghosh could not come today. He is out of station. He is MIG Director of Ghosh, Bose and Associates, a very renowned architecture and building consultancy firm. And we have Mr. C.S. Ghosh, Managing Director of Bandhan, who has joined the chamber as our Vice President, and we are very proud to have him with us. So you all know him, I'm sure. So with that, I hand over the mic to our President to open the press conference. Thank you very much.
Good morning. You have been introduced to my colleagues. I know for sure that we have got 4 years of continuity in our hand. That shows our commitment to the business, to the development of business in Bengal and every state and across the country. And as you all have been a regular to chamber, in the Bengal chamber, you all know that, but probably you've been coming here more often than I have been coming here. What we are looking at is that there is obviously very positive trust in the state, and we see that government is the industrialist government realized that growth will come from entrepreneurship, growth will come from getting more business across, growth will come from putting the effort. And this chamber, which has got 181-year-old history, and out of that 161 years is a very clear industry where the chamber were charted, and this building belongs to chamber. There are very few chambers with their own building and who have kind of ancestry we have. And with this, we have been facilitating business for 161 years. We post-independence, we charted, helped in chartering of laws and bylaws, both at the country level and at state level for various forums. And so chamber has played a very important role, and we want to continue playing that role today, tomorrow, and for days to come. And this today is the reason why we are here, that we wanted to let you know that the enthusiasm, the business kind of positivity which is flowing not only in Bengal, also in neighboring states. In Bengal, across, for all those who want to invest here or all those who want to invest out, so they can bring more employment for us and for the entire region and maybe across the nation. Those era of that business were limited to only to the where you are is probably over. Now you need to think global. Maybe you may focus local, but you have to think local. And Bengal Chamber of Commerce is not untouched with that. We want to think global. We want to think in terms of regional. We want to think in terms of national. We want to think in terms of international. At the same time, focusing very, very strongly local. This is what our intent, this was our desire. And we are, as you can see the lineup of, we have Mr. Bose, who is our Senior Vice President, comes from the architect firm. Everybody knows, doesn't need introduction. KPMG, nobody needs introduction. And I come from healthcare, probably I need most introduction. So, but entrepreneurship is same across. So with this diverse strength, we bring to Bengal and to neighboring region and to the country plethora of activities which we are including with you from time to time to show that where we can take Bengal and where we can bring it to Bengal.
If I get the one small example on that, we see that in the banking industry, we are serving as a credit services to the people like MSME or industry to grow. But other side also, when you know that the maximum people are not accessing this financial services in the interior rural and semi-urban areas. And when we recruited some people as educated and send them to the rural and semi-urban, they are raised this issue. There is no infrastructure of hospital services. So how I can be stay in that areas? There is no good school in that area. How my children will go to the good school? So they are not like to stay in there. So it is only can possible. These people will be staying in the rural areas if we can be focused on the inclusive growth. not only the financial growth, also in the education infrastructure will be developed in the private infrastructure in the interior rural, semi-urban areas, hospital facilities, quality education. I hope that this is needed for our country.
Kind of a climate sensitization model for Kolkata, and that is a project for the Kolkata Municipal Corporation, and that project is underway. It is kind of a climate sensitization workshop, kind of a program project for the KMC councillors. So these are a few of the kind of focused initiatives that we are undertaking, from entrepreneurship on to development, clean tech, etc.
Not only this, many of us are committed to giving one day in a month to this entrepreneurship development. You all are committed that we will be with them, all these the entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs, give one day a month, all of us will give them. That's only best way of developing them mentally.
But this idea and whatever you are saying in your projects are not widely projected or distributed to the entrepreneurs, because people don't know about all this initiatives.
That's why you have with us. This time we invited you to talk to you. We'll interact with you more often. And anytime you want to ask anything to us, you have my number. I always answer the phone. For some reason, if I'm not able to answer, send me SMS. I'll get back to you within an hour. And Ambarish is there. You can talk to him. With both of us, we should be able to answer. There are a lot of things initiatives we are doing. We have got almost close to 30 committees, various areas we are working, just trying to develop whatever we can.
তার একটা রেজাল্ট বলা সম্ভব নয়, তবে কিছু ঘটেনি যেটা থেকে আমি বলতে পারি যে নেগেটিভ কিছু হয়েছে। এই স্টেটের ব্যাপার নিয়ে পজিটিভ একটা ইমপ্রেশন যখনই আমরা বাইরে যাই না কেন, এবং তারা যদি সিরিয়াস ইনভেস্টার হয় তাদের থাকে, একটা বড় কারণ হচ্ছে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলে টোটাল এখন 88 মিলিয়ন পিপল। হ্যাঁ, কনজিউমার মার্কেটটা ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলের প্রথম 5টা-6টা স্টেটের মধ্যে পড়ে। হ্যাঁ, সেটা সারপ্লাস মানির দিক থেকে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল অন্য স্টেটের থেকে এগিয়ে আছে। অনেক মানে সিম্পল বিজনেস প্রেজেন্ট থেকে ইনভেস্টমেন্ট করার ব্যাপারে কখনো খুব একটা এন্টারপ্রেনিয়ার বড় ছোট মাঝারি কারোরই ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলকে নিয়ে সেরকম কোনো অনীহা নেই। উপরন্তু অন্যান্য জিনিসগুলো আছে, ট্যালেন্টস আছে, আমাদের এনার্জি সিচুয়েশন ভালো, সব কিছু ওয়াটার সিচুয়েশন ভালো, সব মিলে এইসবগুলো আছে। এখন ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে যে এই পুরো জিনিসটা যেটা আগেও আমাদের সমস্যা ছিল, এখনো হয়তো খানিকটা সমস্যা আছে যে আমরা ঠিক অন্য রাজ্যের মতো, এবং সেটা হয়তো মানে আমাদের বাঙালিদেরও একটা সমস্যা আর কি, যে আমরা ঠিক সেরকমভাবে সেল করতে পারি না। আজকে যখন গুজরাট, যে ভাইব্রান্ট গুজরাট যেভাবে করেছে, যেভাবে ওরা সেল করছে, আমি কিন্তু সবসময় মনে করি না যে প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস ওখানে পজিটিভ কিছু হচ্ছে আর এখানে নেগেটিভ কিছু হচ্ছে। এই পুরো ব্যাপারটার মধ্যে একটা সেলিং থাকে, এবং সেই সেলিংটা আমি গভর্নমেন্টের হাতেও সবসময় বলবো ওরাই পারবে তা নয়। প্রাইভেট সেক্টর, কর্পোরেট, গুজরাটে প্রচুর প্রাইভেট এন্টারপ্রেনিয়ার্স পার্টিসিপেট করেছিল ওই ভাইব্রান্ট গুজরাটটাকে বানানোর আগে, রিচ আউট করার আগে। তো চেম্বার্স থেকেও সেটা আমরা করবো, প্রাইভেট কোম্পানি থেকেও আসতে বলতে হবে। সে তুমি অ্যানালিটিক্সই বলো, এমএসএমই বলো, কি বড় কোনো ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং সেক্টরই বলো, সেটাকে অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েটলি পজিশনিং করে সেল করতে হবে, সেইটা দাঁড়াবে। সাংঘাতিক কোনো নেগেটিভ কোনো পারসেপশন এখনো কোথাও একটা জিনিস যেটা
এমএসএমই এর দিকে কেন আপনাদের বেশি?
Because see, it is easier to set up. So you create more clusters, and West Bengal has really mastered MSME, and the growth is very good. And not only Bengal, all the states nearby are promoting it too. So there is a synergy. The synergy in promoting MSME with all the neighboring states in Bengal. And we are, MSME is the future precursor of the Bengal precursor, means supports the big ticket industry. You can't have big ticket industry standalone. They take long time to come. The incubation period is 5 years, sometimes 10 years. 10 years, the state can't sit idly. So MSME promotes, gives employment in 6 months, hires hundreds of people. The money comes in and money gets earned. So it's good for everybody.
Sir, another thing I'd like to ask is the situation we had a meeting with Tata Group MDs and chairman.
Yes.
So what the chairman and the MDs told us after this came out of the meeting, that
So they were very positive, they were very happy.
absolutely, and they said that this reboot period, they are willing to push it aside, keep it there, and move forward.
Yes.
What do you think about it?
That's the right strategy. You can't live because something bad happened to you 2 months back. One has to look forward. Life goes in the forward. Life does not go in the backward movement. So we have to forget the past, whatever has happened, whatever may be the reason. Forgive and forget and go on, move on. Business needs forward looking, not backward looking. Thank you.